Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful DeLonghi EC680 espresso machine. This machine had issue with the coffee nut coming out fast enough, so we replaced the pump, and there was also an issue with the portafilter not getting tight enough, so we replaced the filter holder gasket in the group head. So let's go ahead and test the machine. You get a nice crema. It's a beautiful shot. And we'll test the steam. Takes a moment for it to heat up.
Here, you want me to give this a shot? You want to? Sure.
Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.